Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Nutritious Health News. Today, we've got an exciting and tasty keto smoothie recipe that's perfect for those of you looking to shed some extra pounds while still enjoying a satisfying treat. Let's jump right into it. We have 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. It's low in carbs and a great base for our smoothie. Next, half an avocado. Avocado provides healthy fats and a creamy texture. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds for added fiber and texture. 1 scoop of keto-friendly protein powder to keep you full and support muscle health. A handful of spinach, which is low in carbs and packed with nutrients. 1 tablespoon of almond butter for extra creaminess and flavor. A pinch of stevia or your preferred keto-friendly sweetener, optional. Ice cubes to make our smoothie refreshing. Cut to blending. Start by adding the cup of unsweetened almond milk to your blender. Follow that with half an avocado, which will give our smoothie a rich, creamy consistency. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds for some added fiber and thickness. Now, 1 scoop of keto-friendly protein powder. This will help keep you full throughout the day. Don't forget to toss in a handful of spinach for those essential nutrients. 1 tablespoon of almond butter for extra creaminess and a nutty flavor. If you like your smoothie a bit sweeter, add a pinch of stevia or your preferred keto-friendly sweetener. Finally, a handful of ice cubes to give it a refreshing, chilled touch. Now, let's blend it all up until it's smooth and creamy. You can adjust the consistency by adding more almond milk if needed. Serving. Our keto smoothie for weight loss is ready. Look at that beautiful green color. There you have it, a delicious and nutritious keto smoothie that's perfect for weight loss. It's packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making it an excellent choice for those following a low-carb diet. Remember to like and subscribe for more healthy recipes and tips on Nutritious Health News. Cheers to your health!